Today I'm going to show you how to hand in your assignments. Normally we would do this through Canvas, but since we're using file formats which are not supported by Canvas, namely raw files and XMP files, and later on in the class PSD files, we will not be able to do it the normal way. Rather, I will be sending you a Dropbox to send an invitation to send your images to my Dropbox. So take your raw file and hold down the Shift key and also highlight the XMP file, which is a sidecar file that holds all the information of all the editing you did in your raw file. You need to send that to me as well. It's very important, otherwise I won't be able to see any of your edits and I won't be able to follow your trail and give advice. So take those two files, and later on when we start working in Photoshop directly, add your Photoshop file, which is a PSD file, and drag those to a folder with your name on it and also the name of the assignment. Then open up your email. Check your email in any event every day in this class. Here's what the invitation will look like, and click on that. And all you need to do is drag that folder and upload it. Drag that folder into the box and upload it. And in less than a minute, if you have a good internet connection, your assignment will be submitted, and I will look it over and get back with comments. So have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.